Hi, my name is Harvey Hutson. I'm here to do an Amazon view. Let me do my tablet. Let's see what's inside this box. Look at this. Hey! What the? New headphones for me? For me? I got this. For me? I got this from Daddy. Letsfit wireless headphones. Letsfit wireless headphones. Let's open this up. Let's open this up. Let's see. What the? What the? You gave me this? It's so cool. What the? So I can charge my laptop with this. Oh my goodness. I can charge it. Inside the water. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me open this up for a second. Now I can put this on my lap so I can charge my laptop. Wait, I can charge. I don't know how to. I can charge my headphones. I got it. Oh, it's so tight. So, where's the tiny one go? Can I charge them? Hey! Where's the charger at? What's this button do? Let's find out. It does nothing. Let's find out. Where's the charger if I can charge this? So my headphones. Oh, so that's why I did this. Daddy, I found it. It's right here. So why these are right here? Daddy, I got news. What's this for?
Wait.
Hang on a second when I turn this on.
Okay.
Let's turn on our Bluetooth. Where's Bluetooth? Oh, search for the vibrates. So get my own wallet. Let's put on some music. No. What's the big one do? This one's falls down. Okay. This is not adjustable, but I love it. They're good for women or people with affiliated ears, but not kids. They fall down. Look at your headphones too. You're gonna let them. I'm gonna just fling it. Because you brought them. Because Daddy gave me these. Because Daddy's so happy that Daddy's liked them so much. Bye-bye.